Hey there, fellow Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make spreadsheet magic simple and fun. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to autofill in Google Sheets without dragging, and we're keeping it fresh for 2025. If you're tired of manually dragging that fill handle across rows and columns, especially with large datasets, this tutorial is your new best friend. It saves time, reduces errors, and keeps your workflow smooth. First off, let's talk about why you'd want to do this. Autofilling without dragging is perfect for dynamic data, like generating sequences, dates, or formulas across a range. Google Sheets has evolved, and in 2025, it's even more powerful with updated features for automation. We'll use built-in functions that make this a breeze. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document and select the cell where you want to start autofilling. For example, let's say you have a number in A1 and want to fill a sequence down column instead of dragging. Use the ARRAYFORMULA function. Type equals array formula, sequence, 10, 1, A1, 1, into A1. This will instantly fill the next 9 cells with an incremental sequence based on A1. Boom, no dragging needed. Step 2. For dates or custom patterns, try the same with dates. If A1 has a date, use equals array formula, A1 plus row, A1, A10, -1, to add sequential days. This works great for calendars or timelines. Remember, you can adjust the range by changing the numbers. Now, for more advanced users, let's dip into Google Apps Script. Go to Extensions, Apps Script, and write a simple script like function autofill, var sheet equals spreadsheet app. Get active sheet, sheet. Get range, A1. A10 feet, set formulas, equals A1 plus 1 foot, equals A2 plus 1 foot. Run it, and watch your sheet autofill automatically. It's a game changer for repetitive tasks. One quick tip: always double check your formulas to avoid overwriting important data. And if you're working with large datasets, this method is way faster than manual dragging. There you have it, autofilling made easy in Google Sheets for 2025. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it simplifies your work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.